everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, so glad to have you. So today is a beautiful day outside. It is Saturday. It is about 60 degrees or so here in Florida. Enjoying that. I hope you guys are, whoever's in the cold, I hope you guys are starting to see a little bit of relief. I know how long the winter can drag on. Believe me, I've been there and done that. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having a fantastic, wonderful day. Today is Sephora day. Yes, it is. Sephora came late for me this month. It seems like I usually get my Sephora box around, I don't know, around the 15th-ish. And I got it. It's really late, but that's okay. I forgive them. I love Sephora. It's one of my favorite beauty subscriptions. If you don't know about Sephora, Sephora is $10 per month. You do get charged taxes, so I think my box comes like $10.70 every month, but it is free shipping. You get 5 to 6 beauty size. You get 5 to 6 sample size beauty products. Sometimes you get a nice little perfume sample in there. Sometimes you get rippy packets of foil packets of shampoo and conditioner. So let's jump right on in here and see what we got going on. All right, so they always give you this little pamphlet right here. And it looks like they have a bunch of astrology signs going on here. I love reading my horoscope, so that's good. You always get a 50 bonus points, insider bonus points, that you can now use in the store and online. Not lined. Today is going to test me. All right, so there's that. They did do away with, I just sent it flying. So they did do away with the nice little bag with the drawstring on it that they used to do, and they started giving us the plastic bags that look like this, which that doesn't bother me. I can live with that. It's not like it's like the end of the world or a deal breaker or anything like that for me, so it's cool. It's all good. So let's go right on in. The first thing I'm looking at is I see the CEO, Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I am so glad to have this. And it says that CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum, it gives you that glow and makes your skin nice and healthy. This hydrating antioxidant formula instantly illuminates the complexion with bright radiance. Yes, ma'am. Don't we all need that? I know I do. So there we go. I'm going to open it up so we can see how big the sample actually is. Do you guys like the Sunday Riley products? I love it. And there it goes. It's what it looks like. You know, they are small samples, but for $10 a month, I don't mind it because it's $10 a month, and it's just, I knew going into it that it's sample sizes, so I don't mind. All right, so this is what it looks like. A nice little white cream. Feels fantastic. Of course it does. Sunday Riley is one of my favorite products. All right, so next we have this is that Bite Beauty Lip Crayon. Yes, and it is in the shade, if I can see it. I think it says, oh, I can't hardly see it. You know what? I need glasses. I do. I think it says Glace or Glacé. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and I'm sorry. But that's what it looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. I will for sure wear that color. Yes, ma'am. Gorgeous, and it went on really soft and creamy. So excited about that. All right, next thing that we have that I'm pulling out of the bag, it looks like I got a pack of 3 of something. What is this? This is 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. Creamy turmeric. I don't know about mushroom tea, guys, or mushroom latte. I don't know. I mean, I love mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I don't know if I could drink mushroom juice. I don't know. But I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to research it, though, because I think that you need to research everything that you're putting into your body. So, and I don't mind getting these in a beauty subscription box. That's okay. I like to get a little mix of everything. So, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. All right, next we are going in. I got another Bite Beauty product, and it looks like it says the Agave Lip Balm. Okay, there's that. All right, oh, and that comes looking like that. And it says this over here is a agave lip balm, and this one is the agave sugar lip scrub. Not mad about that at all. I love that kind of stuff. So there we go. So far, so good, Sephora. Sephora hardly ever lets me down. I am almost always happy with Sephora. All right, then we have, I think it's called the Laneige. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I apologize. It is the water sleeping mask. There is that. I love masks. I absolutely love masks and trying new masks and all that stuff because I think it just makes my skin feel like a baby's butt. All right, and that's what it looks like. Nice. And that looks like a decent little sample. I mean, you know, they trick you when you're holding it like this. It looks like, oh, wow, that's, full. But then you go under here and you see that it's not full. But that's okay. And that feels really, really nice too. Doesn't really have doesn't look like anything. So let me see what, I can't read that little itty bitty writing on that package, so I'm not even gonna try it. It is get it up here. It is the Overnight Sensation, a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. How to use it: you just put 1 or 2 nights a week, or whenever skin needs extra hydration, apply a quarter size amount, leave it all on overnight, and rinse it off in the morning. Sounds like a plan to me. I'm cool with that. Yes, ma'am. And that full size, well, I got this paper open. Let me see if it tells me. It doesn't. All right. So far, so good. Like I said, I'm not at all mad. And then we got the Beauty Blender Blender Cleanser, and it's that right there. I think everybody who subbed to Sephora got this. And I'm happy about this because I love stuff to clean my brushes and my beauty sponges and all that stuff. So I will absolutely use the heck out of this. So there it is, guys. That's my Sephora for January 2019. I thought it was great. I thought it was a hit. What did you guys think? Do you get Sephora Play subscription, or do you pass on it? Let me know either way and why. Whether you get it or whether you pass on it, let me know why. I would love to know. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. As always, stay beautiful. Bye.